Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Artifacts for building web apps and UI using the easy steps. This is a great way to turn your ideas into working tools and beautiful screen designs inside a separate preview window, allowing you to build and test elements without needing an outside code editor. Step 1. Open your account settings and turn on the dedicated display feature. The first step is to open your personal profile menu inside your regular web browser and toggle on the separate window view capability. Move your mouse pointer down to the lower left corner of the page, click on your initials or profile name, navigate into the settings menu, click the tab labeled Capabilities, and toggle the switch for artifacts to the on position. Look back at your main typing screen layout to make sure a clean dashboard environment is ready for your project requests. Because if you do not activate this layout setting first, the system will just dump long walls of text directly into your main conversation line. Turning on this capability tells the computer to build a dedicated side panel next to your chat, giving you a separate arena where your apps can load and run live. Step 2. Describe your web app plan using a goal-first prompt layout. The second step is to write a detailed opening text prompt that tells the assistant exactly what kind of app you want to build and who is going to use it. Move your marker to the bottom empty message box, type out a clear description of your tool, like a habit tracker or calculator, and list out your color choices and input boxes. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to submit your prompt, or drag and drop a design mockup picture straight into the box to let the tool read the layout style. Because the tool builds the interface rules completely based on the context you supply. If you just ask for a generic page, you will get a boring, plain box. Explaining your target goal up front allows the software to choose the best layout buttons and data views for your specific project need. Step 3. Test your elements live and type direct adjustments to clean up any bugs or layout spacing issues. Move your mouse over to the preview window container, click your menu buttons to verify they work, and if a box looks wrong, type a correction like move the output box down so it stacks vertically on small screens. Highlight any specific text lines you want to change directly on your artifact preview card, click the Fix button, and watch the system update the files instantly, because it lets you fix mistakes iteratively without breaking your main progress layout. Every time you send a correction prompt, the tool reads the underlying code sheets, patches the errors, and updates the display screen live, keeping your session clean and working smoothly. And that's it. To use Claude Artifacts for building web apps and UI, you first open your profile settings and toggle the Artifacts feature to on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the message row to type a goal-first prompt detailing your layout and buttons on your screen canvas rows. Then, you click through the preview window and type direct feedback to fix layout errors instantly in place. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.